my inky friends, it's Cindy Lynn with My Inky Fingers. Thank you so much for joining me today on my YouTube channel and blog. If you're new here, welcome. Today is my November 2020 Paper Pumpkin unboxing. Now, for those of you that are new to my channel and don't know what Paper Pumpkin is, it's an all-inclusive card kit or different projects, but normally cards that comes in the mail. It's got everything that you need to make adorable little cards. So I'm going to unbox it and show you guys everything it comes with and tell you what my thoughts are this month. Now, I'm not a gingerbread fan. Like, I don't like the flavor of gingerbread cookies, but gingerbread cookies look adorable. So I'm hoping that I'm going to like this kit. Every month it comes with a Stampin' Spot, and this month it looks like Blushing Bride. And we've got some cute little, these would be kind of cute for a little, what do you call those? Gingerbread houses. Duh. Anyway, so bake the most out of your kit with coordinating cardstock. So let me get this open first. Okay. So bite my tongue, because I said it's mostly always cards. This month, you can make cards out of these, and you can look at the samples here and see that you can make some cards out of these, but these are looking to me like little gift card holders. So every month it comes with the little instruction leaflet and all the instructions inside. On the back, it'll tell you everything your kit includes, and it tells you your coordinating colors. So of course, Blushing Bride, Calypso Coral, Cinnamon Cider, Daffodil Delight, Mint Macaron. I always want to say Mint Macaroon. Shaded Spruce, and White. So it looks like we've got a bunch of envelopes, which are super cute to put these little gingerbread housey. Now there's two different kinds, I think, three different kinds. Okay, so we've got these three. And it looks like you're just going to fold it over, put a little bit of adhesive here, and then bada bing, bada bam. Now, you could always leave that open too to make it so you could have a little card there. But I think these would make adorable little gift card holders. And then you can even dress up your little gift card holders here. Pop these things out, pop this out. Come on, that is so cute. I'm gonna use these, but you know what I think I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put like my own type of like gift redemption type card thingy in them for our friends. So those are cute. But yeah, you've got the stamps in here. Now I'll do hopefully I can do a card alternative. That would be kind of fun. But I'm gonna open this. And this here, you know, I have so many of these. I just stick them all in a little drawer, but you've got your dimensionals and your little glue dots. And you know, they've even got some tear and tape in here. And there's like a healthy amount of tear and tape, because that's what you'd want to use on this part right here, so that when you fold it over, it really gets a good adhesion and sticks there. I think I got hair here. And then we've got these cute little sticker dome thingies that just look like candies. Those would be super cute. So I'm kind of excited about this. I think this would be really fun to think of an idea. What would be a good idea to make your own little gift card coupon redemption thing? I mean, in this time of COVID, I'd love to do like redeem for, you know, wings, social distancing wings and beer or something, right? But yeah, these are super cute. So I will make up some of these for gift cards, and I'll also make up a few for actual cards and see how I can incorporate them, kind of like this idea. I mean, and this stamp, look at how that's colored. That is so cute. I may even do that. And what are these little thingies here? Are these on here? Maybe they're the insides of something on here, but I mean, there's such cute little elements in here. I love it. So if you're not part of the Paper Pumpkin Ideas group, I'll link that down below, because that is a group that My Inky Fingers started. It's a huge community for everybody to share all of their paper pumpkin goodness. So if you make something with this month's kit, definitely head over there, upload your creation so that we can all ooh and ah over it. And until I see you again, take care and happy stamping.